Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I am back here in Freedom County with a full shift of people. I am very excited. If you guys have not noticed, I have done a new revamp of the game. It's for 1,000 visits. 2,000, something big, like really big. I've already planned it. So let's just start the shift. Do rig check engine. There we go. Anyway, so I'm rocking old style gear right here. Old style gear, old style Scott air packer. Anyway, this is my vehicle. Besides the one I have back there, in the back of the station right there. My incident command. Like an incident command, like if there's like a big fire, I'll do an incident command. I'll take that one, but I'll most of the time take this vehicle. Anyway, if you guys haven't joined the group, Freedom County Fire, it's pretty cool. Yo, chill. Fly over here. We're gonna make a little fire Z's. Who should I make a fire? House fire? Let's do a house fire down here. They're doing a rig check, so that should keep them busy. I'm not gonna do a still fire because that's what we did last video, and that was kind of boring. So why not just light the entire house on fire this time? We're gonna do it like we set the house on White Willow on fire. It's not gonna be as realistic, but you know, I'm gonna get some of the windows and some of these hallways. I'm gonna put some smoke in this hallway. And we're gonna do size 30. And we're gonna go outside. Do the outside smoke. As long as the windows. That rolling. It's gonna be a good fire to battle. Anyway, velocity 45. Color black. Size 30. Oh, yeah. I don't think we need to rig check the medic. I just think we need to rig check that engine, my guy. I mean, shit's about to go up in flames. Tones. Mission 50. Fire alarm. Let's trick them. Yeah. Like and subscribe if you guys want some more Freedom County content. Hop in the car here. Yeah, I love this car so much. I don't know why. I just love it. That's Mark. Come on, engine. Let's go. Come on, engine. Engine. Let's go. Let's go, engine. There we go. We're rocking and rolling on the road. The engine is beautiful. I just love that engine. This car is amazing. He got stuck. I'm just gonna keep responding here because they don't know what's coming. It's gonna be fun. We're just going. I'm gonna turn down this. Ooh, it looks so real from here. Shit. Ah! No! There we go. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna take my headset off for a second. I gotta go do something. It's not anything. I just gotta take my headset off for a second. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. I had to go do something. Alright, so I want Beluga, Mike, do a primary search. Fart Man the Pump. Wait, no. Fart go with Mike. Fart go with Mike. Ghost, come back. Ghost. Ghost. Purple line. Oh my gosh. I made this thing like a little bit, like, too much. It's a big fire. Take a screenshot of this. It's beautiful. There we go. Got that. Yeah. Ghost with a line first. Go ahead. We're getting radios. Yeah, I decided to wear my old style gear today, since my old one, like Mark's, is not the best. Alright, come out inside, team. We're gonna start inside attack. Anyway, guys, yeah, if you guys like content, go ahead, subscribe. It's gonna be great. I mean, just look at this engine, guys. Like, look at the firemen, too. Like, these guys are, like, great. They're getting it, they're getting it. I'm gonna head in there. Head and Mark, take outside command. This could be a good fire. 8 minutes already? Jesus. Alright. Let's head upstairs, 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 upstairs. Go. Go, go, go. Go ahead, upstairs, upstairs. Go, peek the corner, peek the corner. That was wild, guys. Fire C4 when return say I and line up. I have to say that so they don't go crazy when we get back to station, because either Mark will try and hit me with a ladder truck again, or something else crazy will happen. Anyway, the hell. Anyway, guys, yeah, that was wild. That was great. That was a good fire. I made a good fire. It wasn't like the other one, that stove fire. It wasn't like that. This is the fully involved residential structure fire. That's what it is. I gotta do this for roleplay circumstances. There it is. Material corroded metal. There we go. Now this is a fire scene. Turn on my vehicle cruise lights. And this map has everything, like, ungrouped, so I could just, like, if I get stuck, I could just, like, you know, delete a pole or something. Going to be returning see if we can catch up with the engine. This car goes super fast, too, so, like... Tokyo Drift! Andy, turn around. Just gonna write right here for the engine. There we go. That engine be crazy fast too. I don't know why. Why does this guy keep trying to join? If you're this guy, stop. Like, it's getting annoying. Anyway, we are here. Turn off my cruise lights. Go. What a crazy fire, guys. Yeah, we had a fully staffed engine today. I'm really proud of that. And I would like to say subscribe. If you guys enjoy the content, yep, go ahead, definitely consider subscribing. And we'll see you in the next video of Roblox fire response videos.